This is the year of the pig, and this is Lucy C. Nice to have you with us this morning.
Thank you.
Now, you brought 8 beautiful ladies with you, or 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, other than yourself, of course, yes. Now, where are you going to be performing this weekend?
We're going to have a multicultural show in Secret Heart School, the oldest Secret Heart School. So that's for promote multicultural in the community.
And is it the Chinese-Vietnamese Spring Festival?
Yes, it is. Chinese-Vietnamese Spring Festival, just in celebration of the New Year.
Excellent. And many diverse cultures in China, are there not?
Yes, we do. We have 56 different national minority.
Wow.
And the dance we're going to perform is one of those.
Okay. Now, you're called the Melody Dancers. Do you also sing?
Yes, we do. Actually, we have a choir. The choir already exists 5 years. And the dance only started a year ago.
Oh my goodness. So why did you decide to just start the dancing?
Because we want to create a variety for our culture activity.
Good for you.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So what is the dance that we're about to see?
We're going to see a dance called Da Chang Jing. It's a girl's name. It's one of the Chinese national minority which live in northeast China.
Okay.
Actually, it's close to border with Korean, with Republic of Korea. So this is one of the Chinese national minority people.
Excellent. So do enjoy this dance, courtesy of the Melody Dancers, and take it away, ladies, and then I'll tell the folks at home how they can see you in person. Here they are on Breakfast Television.